What if I told you AI could help you make £500 or $500 every single day? Not in the future, but right now. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact methods people are using, the tools that make it possible, and how you can start today. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Labs for weekly deep dives. By the end, you'll know 4 proven AI-powered methods, the tools you will need, and how to put them into action.
Now let's get into it. Want to make £500 or dollars a day? Here are 5 ways AI can help you do just that. First up, AI freelancing. Imagine using tools like ChatGPT to whip up blog posts or email campaigns in minutes instead of hours. With AI design tools, you can create stunning logos and visuals that clients are willing to pay top dollar for. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are buzzing with freelancers earning between £50 and £500 or dollars per gig. It's all about results. Next, let's talk about AI content creation. You can build YouTube channels or blogs powered by AI-generated scripts and voiceovers. Faceless content is booming. Use AI to create videos that can generate ad revenue and affiliate income while you sleep. Thirdly, consider AI e-commerce. Design unique products like t-shirts or mugs with AI tools and sell them online. Upload your designs to platforms like Etsy or Redbubble and watch the sales roll in automatically. Combine that with catchy product descriptions from ChatGPT and you've got a 24/7 income stream. Fourth, think about AI automation side hustles. Many small businesses need help automating tasks like scheduling and customer replies. With tools like Zapier and ChatGPT API, you can create custom automations and charge monthly retainers. Even basic chatbots can earn you £200 to £500 or dollars per client. Finally, turn your AI knowledge into digital products. Record mini courses or sell templates and prompts online. Platforms like Gumroad make it easy to monetize your skills and teach others what you've learned. So, those are 5 ways AI can help you make £500 or dollars a day. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, automation, or digital products, the opportunities are endless. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you don't forget to comment below, I'll be replying. Also tell us what you would like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab. Every week, we explore how AI is changing money, work, and the future.